Today's topic I'll take up is wetlands. There are at least 4 or 5 questions on wetlands asked in the prelims and the mains examination. Wetlands are a special type of ecosystem. Geography और environment ecology में wetlands को हम एक example of ecotone बोलते हैं. Ecotone as in they are a transition type of an ecosystem which are between the typical aquatic marine ecosystem and the terrestrial ecosystem के बीच वाला part जो होता है वो transition वाला होता है and they are called as the wetlands. Wetlands होता क्या है? Wetlands essentially are those areas जहाँ पर कि ground water table surface तक आ जाता है. The surface has the groundwater and because of which these are swamps, these are lakes, these are bog regions, marshes and some parts of the coastal regions also including the deltas and the estuaries. So जो ecosystems called as wetlands, they are a range of ecosystems से मिलते हैं. Inside the land भी होते हैं, they are along the coast, they are also in the higher elevations also, anywhere where the groundwater table is almost at or near the surface level. इसमें 2-3 वर्ड आप यहाँ ध्यान रखें. जो लेक वाले इकोसिस्टम्स हैं उनको बोलते हैं लैकुस्ट्रीन, लेक से लैकुस्ट्रीन इकोसिस्टम. वैसे जो मार्शेस एंड बॉग्स होते हैं उनको बोलते हैं पैलुस्ट्रीन, PALUSTRINE. पैलुस्ट्रीन इकोसिस्टम्स आर वन टाइप ऑफ वेटलैंड्स. जो कोरल सिस्टम्स हैं, द डेल्टा रीजन्स आर देयर. We have lagoons, all of them are classified under the wetlands. You must have heard about a convention which India is party to called as the Ramsar Convention. Ramsar एक जगह है ईरान में, उस रीजन के नाम से, because वहाँ पर सबसे पहले मीट हुई थी, we call this as the Ramsar Convention for Wetland Conservation Management. 2023 का जो थीम है, it is around restoration of wetlands. Wetlands के बहुत सारे functions हैं. These wetland lakes, the lagoons, the estuaries, the delta regions, the areas that include certain type of marshes and bogs, all these have important ecosystem functioning. They're important for water regulation, they're important for absorption of carbon dioxide. There are areas जहाँ पर कि you have got very high amount of biodiversity. So they have lot of significance in terms of ecosystem functioning.